So in this video, we will learn how to perform multiplication and long multiplication. So let's start with this example. It's always best practice to write the larger number up. You will see why in a few next examples. So let's start by multiplying 9 times 7, which is 63. Now, if you don't know what is 9 times 7, you can always go back to the multiplication table for 7, which is 1 times 7 is 7, 2 times 7 is 14, and you keep doing this until you reach 9. Or there is a shortcut method for only 9. So what is 10 times 7? It's just going to be 70 because we'll just add a 0 here. And if we now do 9 times 7, it's just going to be 70 minus 7, which is 63. So this you can always calculate the multiplication of 9 with any number like this. And yeah, so this is there now. Let's move on to 8 times 7, which is gonna be 56 plus the 6, don't forget this. So that's gonna give us 62, and this is the final answer. Let's move on to more examples. So here we have 33 times 66. So let's start. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry over the 1 here. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1, 19. And whenever you're moving to a new row, because we need to multiply this also diagonally and this, so we always have to add in 0 here. So now let's do 3 times 6 again. It's going to be 18. Carry over the 1. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1 is 19, and we just add this up now. So it's going to give us 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry over the 1. 11. Carry over the 1. 2. Let's do another example. So let's start again. You can pause the video and try to do this example yourself. So we'll start with 7 times 4, which is 28. 2 here, so 8 times 4 is 32 plus 2 is going to give you 34. Now again, when we go to the next row, we have to add in 0. Now 7 times 3 is 21. Carry over the 2 again. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 2 is going to give you 26. Now add these numbers up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 3 is 9, and 2. This is the final answer. Now in this example, we have 312 times 69. So if we keep 312 up, or we can bring it down, 312, you will see why it's better to put the number with the more digits up than down. So now let's just multiply this normally. So 2 times 9 is 18. Carry over the 1. 1 times 9 is 9 plus 1 is going to be 10. And carry over the 1 over here. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 1 is 28. Now remove the add-ons. 0 here. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry over the 1. 1 times 6 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And finally 3 times 6 is 18. Add this up. 8, 2, 15, 11, 2. Now if we do the same thing here, it will give you the same answer, but you will have one number here, a 0 here, and then a 0, 0 number here. So you will have 3 numbers in total, and that is more, I would say, troublesome to do rather than doing this, because you only have like 2 here. So it's always better to keep the number with the more digits up. Now let's do our last example here, where we have 999 times 418. So 9 times 8 is 72. Let's carry over the 7 here. 9 times 8 is again 72 plus 7 is going to give you 72 plus 7 is 79. carry over the 7 again, and 79 again. Yeah. And now let's move on to another row. So don't forget the 0. Now we will multiply the digits up multiplied by 1 here. So 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9 again. 9 times 1, 9 is again. Now again we are moving on the new row. So this time we will add 2 more zeros, 1 and 2. And now we will multiply the digits up multiplied by 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. Carry over the 3 to the next number. So 36, 3 here. 36 again plus 3 is 39. Carry over the 3 here, and again 39. And now we just add these numbers up. 2, 18, 1 here. So 10 plus 9 plus 6 is going to give you 25, I think. Let me 25 it is. And carry over the 2 here. 18 plus 2 is 20. 2 again, 11, 1, 4. This is the final answer. Now again, if you look at these numbers, you can see that this is very close to 1000. So what is 1000 times 418? It's going to give you 418000, right? Because we just add these zeros. And if we remove 1418, it's just going to give you this answer, right? So what we can do is 418,000 minus 418, and we should get the same answer here. So let's move on to this. Carry over the 0, carry over the 0, carry over the 0, and this will become 2. Now 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 4 is 5, 7, 1, 4. Now it does seem like we made a silly mistake when we are adding these numbers up, because this should be the final answer. So it's always best to keep it tidy and not like me making a silly mistake like this. So let's add the numbers again. So first one is going to be 2 plus 0 plus 0, which is going to be 2. 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry over the 1 over here. 10 plus 9 plus 6 is 25. And carry over the 2. So now 7 plus 9 is 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. And 18 plus 9 is 27. So this was our mistake. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry over the 1 and we get the same answer. You can always recheck your answer by typing on the calculator also. So if you made a silly mistake, you could correct it by rechecking it. And always check the zeros. Don't forget the zeros. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.